Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 7th, and this is my analysis of the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still see this as a big 1, 2, 3. I don't really see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. It does look like it is trying to make a lower high, so possibly this point right here is the top of a wave 3, and possibly it goes down and makes this wave 4 and goes up later on and makes a wave 5. It is definitely a possibility. We are at a Fibonacci extension level also, which is an area of resistance. So we got to keep an eye on this. It possibly could go down in a bigger way. Going down to the weekly time frame, it is trying to make a lower high. So, like I was saying a couple weeks ago on my videos for the yen, it is always possible that this is an A, this is a B, and it goes down and makes a big old wave C before it just keeps on trending up. But we do have to be careful. There's no evidence really that says that that is the case. And this move up to me looks like a trend, which kind of makes me think that this move down could just be a correction to that trend and it could just keep on going up. But I do think because of how impulsive that is, we should be looking for shorts on shorter time frames, but we need to be very cautious. We need to be looking for shorts and learning and earning at the same time, whether it does this and goes back up or whether it does this and then later on goes back up. Either way, I think we should be able to recognize it when it does happen. Going down to the daily time frame, I so far only have my Fibonacci level on here. Now, the reason is because if we make a big engulfing move at a fib level, maybe something like this, and like a big break of structure to the upside, I would definitely go short it long again. I definitely think on the very short time frames, like the 1 hour and below, we should be looking for shorts right now. But I also think we need to keep in mind that this could still be a correction to this last wave up, and it still could make a higher high, and just keep on going up. So we're going to be looking for shorts while we learn if this move is a correction, or while we learn whether it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, it just keeps on going down. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, definitely a very impulsive move down. Now this is three waves down, and this is definitely more like a trend to me. So I think this is just a failed wave 5 most likely. Now, like I said, this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, and I do think we need to be looking for shorts. Now, we're going to be looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks, and we're going to learn whether it does this. And if it does do that, we'll go short at the end of every single pullback along the way. Or we're going to learn whether it does something like this with a break of structure. And if it does do something like that, then we could possibly stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But even if it does make a fib bounce, as long as it doesn't break structure, I will definitely continue to look for shorts. So just because it bounces off a fib level doesn't mean that it's going up. What tells me it's going up is a nice break of structure to the upside. So unless that happens, I will definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of every single one of these pullbacks while we learn and earn at the same time whether this is a correction to this last wave up or whether it's a big wave C like I was showing on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.